Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Tony Herbal Remedies, and today we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: protein shakes. Whether you're looking to build muscle, boost your energy, or just stay healthy, protein shakes can be a great addition to your routine. So let's get into it. First off, what exactly are protein shakes? Well, protein shakes are liquid beverages made with protein powder, typically mixed with water, milk, or other dairy-free options like almond milk. These shakes come in all kinds of flavors, from chocolate to vanilla, and they're packed with essential nutrients to support your health goals. Before we jump into the benefits, let's quickly talk about why protein is so important. Protein is a vital macronutrient that plays a huge role in repairing muscle tissue, supporting immune function, and maintaining overall health. In fact, every cell in your body contains protein. Now let's talk about the top benefits of protein shakes. Whether you're hitting the gym or engaging in other physical activities, protein shakes can help you build and repair muscle. After exercise, your muscles need protein to recover and grow stronger. And protein shakes deliver that quickly. Protein shakes can also help with weight management. Why? Protein helps you feel fuller for longer, which means you're less likely to snack between meals. Plus, they're low in calories but high in nutrition, making them a great option for a quick, healthy snack. If you're always on the go, protein shakes are a perfect option. They're easy to make, portable, and can be customized to suit your tastes and dietary needs. Studies show that protein can boost your metabolism. By adding more protein to your diet, your body burns more calories even at rest. Protein plays a crucial role in supporting your immune system. By keeping your protein levels high, you're helping your body fight off illness and stay healthy. There are different types of protein powders available, and choosing the right one depends on your specific needs. This is the most common and best for muscle growth and recovery. It's fast absorbing and rich in essential amino acids. If you're vegan or dairy sensitive, plant-based protein powders like pea, hemp, or brown rice protein are excellent alternatives. This one's slow digesting, which is perfect for nighttime use to provide your body with a steady supply of amino acids while you sleep. Making the perfect protein shake is super easy. Here's my go-to recipe: 1 scoop of protein powder, your choice, 1 cup of almond milk or your preferred liquid, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter for extra protein and flavor, half a banana for a natural sweetness, and ice cubes. Blend it all together for about 30 seconds, and you've got yourself a delicious protein-packed shake. So there you have it. Protein shakes can help you build muscle, manage weight, boost your metabolism, and even support your immune system. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a healthy snack, protein shakes are a great way to fuel your body. Let me know in the comments if you've tried protein shakes before and what your favorite flavors are. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.